Hello friends, in today's video, we will talk about propagating the hibiscus plant from cuttings. We can plant hibiscus cuttings twice a year, first during the rainy season and second during the spring season, with the rainy season being the most favorable. The time it takes for cutting to root successfully in the rainy season is just half the time it takes in the spring season. But hibiscus cutting root easily in both seasons. Friends, if we are planting cuttings of the native hibiscus variety, then all type of cuttings, new, old, thin or thick, will grow easily. First, remove all the leaves from the cutting and keep the length of the cutting between 6 to 7 inches. If you are taking cuttings from a hybrid hibiscus, you should take a softwood cuttings from the tip of the plant. Do not remove all the leaves, only remove the leaves from the lower part of the cutting, the portion that will be planted in the soil. Softwood cuttings of hybrid hibiscus root faster and the success rate is higher compared to thicker cuttings. Make a slanted cut slightly below the node of the cutting. A slanted cut allows more of the cut surface to come into contact with the soil, promoting faster rooting. You can use a paper cutter or a razor blade for this, as it will create a clean, sharp cut without damaging the bark of the cutting. For cuttings of the native hibiscus, the soil does not need to be extremely loose. Native hibiscus cutting can grow in almost all type of soil, as long as the soil is not too clayey or hard. However, for hybrid hibiscus, you need to prepare very loose, well-draining soil. When you water, the water should drain out immediately and not remain standing for too long. Fungicide powder is essential for planting hybrid hibiscus cuttings. Always mix fungicide powder into the soil when planting hybrid hibiscus cuttings. The size of the container you use for planting cuttings also matters a lot. If you use small paper cups or pots, your cuttings will grow very easily. In larger pots, the soil holds too much moisture, which reduces the chances of the cuttings taking root. Therefore, like me, you should plant your cuttings in small paper cups. Believe me, you will get excellent results. After planting the cuttings, place the cups in a tub filled with sand and add sand around the sides to secure the cups and prevent them and the cuttings from moving. If the cutting keeps moving, it won't be able to develop roots and will fail. After watering, place it in a semi-shaded area. Hybrid hibiscus cuttings should also be kept in a semi-shaded location. For successful rooting, the ideal temperature is considered to be between 20 to 35 degrees Celsius. Any temperature within this range is quite suitable. Once the cutting is successfully rooted, initially grow it in a 4 to 5 inch pot. As the plant grows and matures, gradually increase the pot size and the amount of fertilizer. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.